Hello there. This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American vowel sound OO, as in the word blue. You can also hear this sound in words like rule, to, do, or new. Please note that we'll be using a special phonetic symbol OO for this sound. The OO sound is not unique to American English, but non-native English speakers usually make this sound too relaxed. Listen to these words. Pull, pool. If they sound the same to you, or if you're not sure about it, this video might help you. Keep watching, and let's find out how to make this vowel sound. Okay, to make the OO sound, you should focus on the correct position of your jaw, lips, and tongue. Open your mouth a little and push your lips out, making a small, tense circle. Pull your tongue far back in your throat and tense it. Raise the back of the tongue toward the roof of your mouth. Remember, the OO is a tense sound, so your lips and tongue should be tense. Your tongue should be pulled back in your mouth. Let's try saying it. OO, OO, OO. Now let's practice this sound in some words. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation. Like this. Blue. You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word, if you want to. Let's begin. Bloom. Blue. Boom. Boots. Broom. Chew. Choose. Cool. Crew. Do. Do. Doom. Do. Flew. Flew. Food. Fool. Fruit. Glue. Google. Goose. Grew. Group. Hoop. Juice. June. New. Loop. Loose. You're done. Congratulations. By the way, did you know that the OO sound is written as the letter U in less than 50% of cases? More on the spelling. The OO sound is written as the letter U in 47% of cases. It's also often written as the combination of the letters OO or as the single letter O, as in the words to and do, respectively. Sometimes this vowel sound is represented by the combinations of the letters EW as in the word new, or OU, as in the word soup. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Stay tuned on our Sounds American channel. Cute troops in blue boots.